kids, and welcome back. Would you like to paint a beautiful butterfly with me today? Yeah! You would? Okay, well, this time we're not going to paint just with a paintbrush. We're going to paint with leaves. So come with me, grab some leaves, and let's get painting.
Hey kids, and welcome back. Today I want to paint a beautiful butterfly with you using a leaf. This is going to be really fun. We're going to use leaves to paint the wings of the butterfly using our colours that we want to use. So you need to get a leaf, a paintbrush, some paper, some kitchen roll, some water, and of course the colours that you want to use. I'm going to be using the primary colours, yellow, blue and red, and also a black. So let's get painting. Okay, the first step for our leaf painting is to paint the leaf. So you can find many different leaves when you're walking around, if you're walking to school, or maybe you have a garden. And at this time of year, they are falling down everywhere. So we can find leaves anywhere we go. So I found my leaf, I gave it a wash, and now it's time to paint the leaf. So when it comes to painting your leaf, just pop it on a bit of kitchen roll so you don't get messy paint on your paper or on your table or on your finger like me. And let's paint the leaf the colours that we want to paint. Now we can paint it any colours we like, 1 colour, 2 colours, 3 colours, as many as you like, or any colour you like. I'm going to paint this leaf blue and red. Okay, so I'm going to take my blue paint and I'm going to just paint the back of the leaf. So this is the back of the leaf where all them vines are sticking out. And that's what's going to really make this painting come to life when we press it down. So let's paint our leaf. And you shouldn't need more than 1 leaf, but if you like, you can have more than 1. Okay, we have our blue. Now I'm going to paint the rest of this red. But first, I'm going to wash my mucky brush. Okay, now it's time to paint some red. So I'm going to start at the top and paint it all the way down. I'm putting quite a little bit of paint on because I don't want to put a little amount of paint on and not have anything show up when I press it down. Okay, let's mix it in with the blue. When we paint in between the blue and red, it starts to turn purple because it's mixing. So now we've got 3 colours. And you can do this with any colour. You could do it with yellow and blue and make a green. You could do it with many colours. Experiment. Okay, I've washed my brush and let's start painting with our leaf. Let's move them away. Okay, so with our leaf, we're going to turn it around. And we're going to do the first wing on the left of the butterfly. So we're going to place this down and it's going to point upwards because our butterfly is flying. Now all we need to do is press down on the leaf. You can do this with your hands or with a bit of kitchen roll. It can get very messy. So let's now press with our fingers or kitchen roll, and then we're going to carefully lift up. Look, it's a leaf. It's starting to really look like a butterfly wing as well. Now, if it's a little bit of paint like this, we can always paint it again and then press it on again, which I'm going to do now. So I'm going to paint more red on this time. This means I didn't use enough paint. Unless you want to do a really thin wing, you can also do that too. So I paint lots of red. Oh, wash your brush, Jenny. I nearly dipped it in my paint when it was mucky then. Then lots of blue. And now we can mix them together. Okay, this one should look much better. So let's be careful and place it back down where it was. Very gently, and then let's press on using our fingers or our kitchen roll. Lovely work, everyone. Okay, now let's see if it's more painty. Yes, it is! Perfect! I love it so much. Okay, so we just need to put more paint on our leaf. Now I'm going to do the same for the other side because butterflies are symmetrical. Their wings look the same on both sides. Okay, so I'm painting my leaf. I'm painting it red at the top with lots of paint this time. Bring a little bit of that red down. And then I'm going to wash my mucky brush. Now it's time to take some blue paint and paint the bottom of the leaf. Bring that up a little bit. And now let's mix the two together. Lovely work, everyone. I wonder what colours you're using. Okay, now it's time to place the leaf on the paper where we want it to go. Let's line that up quite nicely so it looks the same. Okay, ready? Let's press that down with our fingers. This can be very messy, but I don't mind, I like mess. Press, 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 press down. Make sure you press down quite hard in all the areas of the leaf, and then let's lift it up. Beautiful! I love this! I love this so much! Now I'm going to paint my leaf a different colour for the bottom wings. So I need to wash this leaf. I'm just going to mix that in my water, just like this. Messy, messy, messy. And look, the paint's starting to drop off. And then I'm just going to wipe it with my kitchen roll. Press that down. Oh, the paint's on the kitchen roll. Lift it up. Look! See, this could be art too. Don't worry if there's a little bit of paint left. That's okay. Okay, now it's time to paint this leaf a different colour. So I'm using some different kitchen roll. I've just folded this over so it's not got the blue and red on. What colour shall we do this time? How about red and yellow? Okay, so I'm going to paint the bottom red with a big lump of paint. Make sure we get loads of paint on. Remember last time when we didn't put enough paint on? Okay, now let's wash our mucky brush. Got it on my finger. And now let's add yellow to the top of the leaf. Big lump of yellow. Remember, lots of paint. Let's paint that on. Drag that down. And let's mix the two together in the middle. Look, we've got orange. See how we've got 3 colours and we only put 2 on. You could do this with any 2 colours you like. Mix them in the middle and you'll get a new colour. Okay, let's lift the leaf. And this time I'm going to place the leaf again from the centre. And I'm going to press him here. And I'm going to press it really hard. Careful it doesn't go wiggly wiggly. Lovely. Oh, the paint's getting squished out. Lovely. And now let's lift the leaf up. Oh, I love it so much. Oh, I love that colour. Which one's your favourite? The blue and red with the purple in the middle, or the red and yellow with the orange in the middle? Oh, I think my favourite's this one. Just because I love yellow. It's my favourite colour. What's your favourite colour? Okay, let's paint the leaf again. Make sure we've got lots of paint on this time. No mistakes like that again, Jenny. Okay, now let's wash our mucky brush. And let's paint the bottom red. I love this butterfly so much. Let's bring that paint up a little bit and now let's mix the 2 in the middle. Lovely. Now we've got yellow, orange and red. Let's lift the leaf up. Remember, we're going to place it from the centre, and let's try and make it look the same on both sides. And now let's press it down. Press down all them bumpy vines. Get that squidgy paint on. Squidge, 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 squidge. And then let's lift it up. Ah, yes, I love it, I love it. It's amazing. I love this so much. So now we have our butterfly wings. So let's create the body for the butterfly and the big, beautiful antennas. Okay, let's wash our mucky brush. And for this, I'm just going to use black paint. I'm going to take my paint. I'm going to draw a line right down the centre. And then I'm going to make a circle at the top for his little head and a semicircle for his body on this side of the line, and then another semicircle on this side of the body. And this bit I'm going to paint a triangle pointing down like that. You see? Now we've got a beautiful butterfly. Let's add some antennas. And this can be any way you like. They can be straight, they can curve. It's up to you. Straight and curve. Oh, I do love it so much. What a beautiful butterfly. Just tidy that bit up there. And we're finished. I love this painting so much. Now, if you want to get extra creative, you could create a beautiful background, maybe with lots of flowers, or maybe another butterfly, a little one here. If you get a little leaf, you can make a baby butterfly. Or how about lots of grass or sky? Oh, there's so much we could do. I hope you had fun painting with me today. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed this painting. And I've also got a free colouring book that you can print out at home. Just ask an adult to click the link in the description box and I'll send it to them. Bye everybody. Hope you enjoyed this one.